Did you know that training branches to a 45-degree angle reduces the apical dominance and promotes flowering? While training an apple tree, not specifically crisp red, but any apple tree, any farmer needs to know or needs to understand three things. One, central leader, lateral branching, and fruiting spurs.
Fruiting spurs are short woody shoots that serve as the primary fruit-bearing structures for many fruit trees, particularly apples and pears. They are typically less than 6 inches long, have a rough texture due to stacked bud scars, and arise from branches that are 2 years old or older. Spurs consist of a cluster of leaves and a terminal bud that is usually a flower bud, producing a cluster of 5 flowers and often remaining on a tree for 15 to 20 years, but their peak productivity occurs on 2-year-old woods.
You have 26 spurs in this branch. Okay, so imagine those are 20, because you want only one fruit from each spur. Those are 26 fruits from this one branch. Say you have 10 branches, okay, in that one tree. So 26 times 10, that is 2. So it's 26. Yeah, 26 fruits times 10 branches. That is 260 fruits. Very possible and very easy if you have spurs.
At J. Kusenga Farm, we pride in sharing information about farming. Depending on where we are, even if you're not in the farm, we will still share information. Now, on central leaders, central leader is the mother stem where the branching will start.
What we train them is one single stem from the ground. We don't want bushy types. All these need to go. You see these ones? All these ones need to go. You don't want and you don't use your hands, you use a shear so that you can cut everything there. Okay, this is our first layer of branching, which is here, which we have allowed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 branches, but well spaced to an extent that they are going to give us good air circulation and sunlight exposure. So from that, in each bunch, you can see in this tree, this is the layer. So we needed spurs from here. They have not yet come, but it's still okay. The spurs have started to come out here. Let me show you. The spurs have started to come out in here. So each spur is giving us fruit. Look at that. This is crisp bread. Okay. So this is how you train your apples when they are here. We also have new tires which are coming up right there. Let me show you another one here. The first tire is there, one single stem from the ground. Then we allow the branching and then the spurs from the main branches. So this is how we are training our apples currently to have good production.
Lateral branching is physically bending the branches of a tree to an angle of 45 degrees so that it starts producing spurs. Now, ensure when you're doing the lateral branching, you don't harm your trees and you don't use excessive force that will break your branches.
Training branches to a 45-degree angle vertically reduces apical dominance, promoting lateral bud break and flower formation. Bending shoots can eliminate terminal growth but significantly increase fruiting potential.
From J. Kusenga Farm, I hope you have learned something. And that is all from us from today. Adios.